Did you know you have exactly 50 milliseconds to convince a visitor to stay on your landing page? Hey, I'm Serj, and after analyzing thousands of landing pages, I'm going to show you exactly what separates pages that convert from those that don't. In this video, you'll learn 3 technical principles behind high-converting landing pages, backed by real conversion data. And stay until the end, because I'll show you how to get a professional landing page built for you completely free. And no, I'm not talking about DIY website builders where you have to do everything yourself. The first principle that most people get wrong is visual hierarchy. Look at any successful landing page, and you'll notice a pattern: a compelling hero section that guides attention, strategic use of white space, and one clear path forward. Most people focus on colors and fonts, but here's what actually matters. Your layout should follow natural reading patterns. Research shows that we scan pages in either an F pattern or a Z pattern. Placing your key elements along those paths instantly makes your page more effective. The F pattern works best for text-heavy pages. Your most important content goes in that first horizontal line at the top, then down the left side with supporting information in a second horizontal bar. Think of news websites. They've been using this pattern for years. That's because it works. The Z pattern is perfect for visual storytelling. Your eye naturally moves from top left to right, then diagonally down to the left and across to the right again, usually where your call to action button sits. It's not random, it's psychology. Here's a statistic that may surprise you. 83% of landing page visits now come from mobile devices. Yet I still see businesses designing for desktop first. This is backwards. Your mobile experience isn't just about making things smaller, it's about rethinking how users interact with your content on different screens. Let me show you what I mean. On desktop, you might have a beautiful 3-column layout, but on mobile, those columns need to stack perfectly. Your buttons need to be large enough for thumbs, not just mouse clicks. Text needs more breathing room because reading on mobile is harder on the eyes. And don't forget about loading speed. A delay of just 1 second can drop your conversion rate by 7%. Your code needs to be clean. Every element needs to earn its place on the page. The biggest mistake I see: trying to do too much on one page. You need what I call conversion architecture. Every element purposely leading to one clear goal. Start with a headline that makes visitors think, "This is exactly what I need." Most landing pages fail because their headlines talk about features instead of addressing the visitor's primary concern. Next, your visual elements need to support your message, not just decorate the page. I analyzed hundreds of high-converting pages, and none of them used generic stock photos. Instead, they showed their product in action or real results from customers. Then there's the white space. It's not just empty space, it's breathing room for your content. Think about luxury brands. They use plenty of white space because it helps visitors focus on what matters. The same principle applies to your landing page. Throughout my experience, I've noticed patterns that consistently hurt conversion rates. The most common issue I see is what I call the kitchen sink approach. Business owners get excited and try to cram every feature, benefit, and piece of information all onto one page. But here's the thing, your landing page isn't your website. It has one job, and anything that doesn't support that job is actually hurting your conversions. Another major problem is neglecting the hero section. Just yesterday, I was reviewing a landing page that used generic stock photos and vague headlines above the fold. Your hero section is like a first date. You need to make that initial impression count. Show visitors exactly what they'll get and why they should care, right from the start. The last big mistake comes down to branding consistency. Your landing page needs to feel like a natural extension of your brand. I often see pages that look completely different from a company's website or social media presence. This disconnect makes visitors hesitate, and hesitation kills conversion. When someone clicks through from your ad to your landing page, the experience should feel seamless. Now, as I promised at the beginning, let me show you how to get a professional landing page worth $2,000 built for you completely free. While researching solutions for my clients, I discovered something fascinating, a platform called WAcademy that's revolutionizing how landing pages are built. Here's how it works. Instead of using templates or DIY builders, WAcademy connects you with talented student developers who build your landing page under professional supervision. These students apply all the technical principles we just discussed to create high-converting pages. Let me show you exactly how to get started. Just head over to WAcademy.io, click the Apply button, and fill out a quick form about your business. Within 48 hours, you'll be matched with a student developer and project manager who will handle everything from design to launch. I've seen the results firsthand. These student-built pages perform just as well as those created by expensive agencies. You get a fully custom landing page that follows all the best practices we discussed without having to learn complex software or spend thousands of dollars. I hope these technical insights help you understand what really drives landing page success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Take care.